Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of a highly acclaimed travel tripod, the Manfrotto Befree Advanced Carbon Fiber Travel Tripod. Known for its lightweight design and portability, this tripod promises to be a great companion for photographers on the move. Let's start with the build. The Manfrotto Befree Advanced is crafted from carbon fiber, which not only makes it incredibly light but also ensures durability and rigidity. This is crucial for stability when shooting in various conditions. The tripod weighs just 2.75 pounds and folds down to a compact 16.1 inches. This compact size is ideal for travel, fitting easily into backpacks or carry-on luggage without adding significant weight or bulk. In terms of performance, the Befree Advanced offers a good balance between weight and functionality. It's designed to support cameras up to a certain weight, providing stable support even in windy conditions or on uneven surfaces. The tripod features a 494 aluminum center ball head, which offers smooth movement and precise control, despite its compact size. This is crucial for adjusting angles swiftly and securely. One of the standout features is its portability. For photographers who prioritize lightweight gear while traveling, the Befree Advanced delivers without compromising on stability. The carbon fiber legs contribute to its overall sturdiness, making it a reliable choice for outdoor shooting sessions or urban exploration where space is limited. However, it's worth noting that the Befree Advanced might not be the most feature-rich option in its price range. Some competitors offer additional functionalities like built-in monopods or taller maximum heights for a similar cost. To sum up, the Manfrotto Befree Advanced Carbon Fiber Travel Tripod is a solid choice for photographers seeking a lightweight and portable solution. Its carbon fiber construction and compact design make it a practical companion for travel photography or any situation where space and weight are critical factors. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've used the Manfrotto Befree Advanced or if you have any questions. Until next time, happy shooting!